Good day all. Welcome to the next video in which we are going to have a look at the time function. The time function has three required parameters. The parameters can be naught, but the first parameter is hour. It's got to be in this order: hour, minute, and second. Obviously, the values for hours is in the value 0 to 24. Minutes go from 0 to 60, and seconds, that too goes from 0 to 60. The return value of the time function is a number, but it is a fraction. Earlier, when we spoke about the date function, I explained that the return value was a number, and the number is an integer. So if you look on J10, the whole date is viewed here. 44,088 is the date, and that can be formatted to show that it's today's date. The fractional part of that number is the time, and the time, as this gets bigger and bigger, and we see the numbers here, it goes to 95, that's the going into the last hour, and when it goes to 999 it will click over and we are in the next day. We've got a 1, which means that this 88 will change over to 89. A full day has passed. So the fractional number goes from 0 to 9999, and it will click over to the next day. We can therefore represent that number, the fractional part, as a 24th of 1, which is 0,041666 non-ending, and we can represent it in minutes, which is 1 divided by 1440. We can also represent the day in seconds, which is 1 divided by 86,400. There are so many seconds in one day. So if we divide the 1 by that, we get 0,000012. There's more, but those will be milliseconds, and the hour is represented by this number, the minute is represented by this number, and the second is represented by this number. Later in life, when we start programming or doing more intricate time calculations, we will start using these numbers. For the moment, the time function is used in a manner just is equal to times with the three parameters. The three parameters being hours, minutes, and seconds. If I look here, 1527 for the time at the moment, I can go 15. It will change the time to 1500 because I haven't put in anything. Quarter past, so let's make it half past. It is 30 minutes past 3 in the afternoon, and you see that the number, the representation of the time in a fraction is 0.645. And if we look at that number, it is after 1500 but before 1600 hours, so it lies in between here, and you can see that that is correct. If I make this 59, then it is very close to the 0.6666, which the 1600 hours is. 4 o'clock in the afternoon is 0.66666, and it goes on, and we are very close to that. If I give this another 59 seconds, you'll see that we're now at the 0.6666, which is only 1 second away from 4 o'clock in the afternoon. And that is how we use the function time. The time function is equal to time with the three parameters. At this point in time, that is all I wanted to show about the function time. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.